Okay, so we have a lot, many packages. So let's do a PR unboxing. So first up, I have this from Lenskart. We have next up we have. So I was invited for an event which was conducted by Chandi Bhandar, and I got this as a gift box. So let's open it. This is the cookie sticker pack. This one was the invite card. Got in lot of pie. And I did try and I did got this in two other variant and I love those. So these are the other three ones. A lot of alcoholic chocolates. Like these flower clutches. And I just love the blue one. I mean, recently I'm loving the color blue and pink. So I love this. And brown will go with every outfit of mine. So I love getting gifts, I swear. There was one time when I wanted to marry just because I wanted gifts. Anyways, so this is the crochet bag. This is like so tiny. I mean, I don't even know इसमें मैं क्या रखूंगी, but it is like so cute. Have this jewelry organizer. I'm gonna keep all my silver jewelry inside it. I guess this is a pouch kind of a thing. Here it is written, life is a journey, the simpler the happier. But you never know what life holds for you. So I'm gonna keep something. I got these two packages from Anyteam. And this is the second one. Let's open the list because this is huge. Okay, we got this tote bag. You can just carry it like this. Got this notebook. This is also in the color pink. So I love it. This is cute. So here it is written our beauty, our rules. Like of course Elite in India is just being obvious. And here it's also written Elite Glam Gang. We have this tumbler. I also remember I got one sticker pack along with this, but I have already used it, so I cannot wait. Those stickers are so cute, but if I found it, I'll surely attach in the video. So we got this tumbler. Pink. Okay. And from the inside it is totally steel. No harm to your body. Here it is written just a chill girl, which is I am honestly outside, but inside I am very messy. Anyways. Okay, I can even carry it like this. Like this. This is cute. We have this another package from L18 India. A pink pouch. I love pink, I swear. A lot of makeup products, like a lot. Okay. 4cc cream. I cannot even hold it. They are like a lot in numbers. I guess I got four different shades. We have this Elitin Lippy in the shade Berry. Yes, it gives 22-hour moisture and it is SPF 15. We have this blush bomb in the shade Coral, and honestly, I love this blush. Like this is my go-to blush, I swear. Just try this. It is only for 100 rupees. So do try this and you will thank me later. I have three different nail paint, eye drama, eyeliner. We have this mascara. This is the kajal. I got it in two different colors, like one in black and one in brown. So the brown one I'm currently using it. So I have this black one. I got this 2-time cheek and lip tint. The days when you don't want to use a lot of makeup, you can just use the tint and apply it in your lips and cheek, and after that you can rub it off. It will stay out throughout the day. Like more than 12 hours is sufficient enough if you are eating and drinking at the same time. Next up, we have this. We have this. Oh my god, lip gloss. We have this another lip color. I got this sponge. It's We got this lip stamp. I honestly love this one. This is in the shade After Party. This is my current favorite. The top one is perfect for your almost daily outfits. This one is like perfect bold shade if you want to go outside in the night. And this one is in the shade, like this one is Rani Pink. And I don't like this a lot, but I can save this. I can save for this too. And the shade is After Party. This is for 275. I checked it in the website because I'm gonna order one more of this. But Elite in India, if you want to sponsor me again, please gift me this. I love this. So usually I got a lot of cans from Red Bull as a part of the collaboration, but I got this as the PR package. This is a student hamper kit. So it's this bag tag, bookmark, making every topic your domain, and Red Bull gives you wings. Like I have this two Red Bull drinks. To be honest, I love the Red Bull drinks a lot. So and from the Red Bull, like the green one, the white one, the sky blue one, the dark blue one. I prefer this dark blue, the normal and the original one. Like I love it. Even written here, lift for study essentials. So we got there. This is the like whiteboard. Like this is a whiteboard and I have written my subject names, and every time I was giving a tick, I was literally reminding myself finally the exam is over and I don't have to study the subject again because this was my time of the semesters. So got this white marker. This is the eraser and this is the marker. It's literally not even 1 day gap while I was giving the exam. So it was very irritating at that moment. Like you serious are keeping the end semester exams and you are not even giving 1 day holidays. It's like and even we got a timetable just about 2 days. Like, are you kidding me? I got this notebook, making every topic your domain. Here is written your name, your subject, then this cute notepad. Got this another package from Tira Beauty. Again, a lot of products as a gift. So I love it. We have this strobe cream from Faces Canada. We have this Garnier Super UV cream. This is a limited batch by Kimrika exclusive collection. Creme bath, periwinkle, argan oil body wash. This Lakme blush. Another rice ceramide moisturizing emulsion hydrate. Or this deconstruct lip brightening lip balm. Also has SPF 30 plus. I literally wanted this from so long. We have this Benefit Real Magnet Mascara. This Dermaco 2% kojic acid serum. Have these Bee Blunt Salon Like Hair Spa. This is the step 1 hair fall control hair mask, and in the step 2 we have this self-heating. We have this self-heating cap. Okay, I like this in just 5 minutes. I'm gonna try this and show you in the next video, maybe. Mixun Centella mask pack. I can guarantee the Mixun mask are like they're so good. Okay, so the PR and the collaboration products are different. Like in the collaboration videos, हम लोग को like जो products दिए जाते हैं, we have to make a video about it and we have to post that. So the products are the products that are given to us, they are to make the video and we do keep it, but those are for collaboration and along with it we get some money. But these PR packages, they are given to us for to make the public relation good. Like the PR stands for public relation. So, like, they are just a gift given to us by the brand where we don't have to make any sort of videos or anything. They're just a gift. So, that's it for today. And the other PR packages, I'll show you some other details. And bye. Do subscribe my channel.